Now let's talk about the configurations. Now, when it comes to the freestyle job, we can have the integration done in the freestyle and the Jenkins pipeline also. So from the freestyle job, so you will be seeing the configurations that you can in the build step. You will be getting the option once the plugin is installed, the ad hoc command execution or the playbook files. So those typical options will also be coming up there. Now, when you want to like specify host inventory into the integration, now you have two options. If you want the host inventory file to be managed in Jenkins job, that you can do it. Otherwise, you can go for the default host inventory file also. So both the option works there. Because of the plugins is written in such a way that it's trying to give you as much as flexibility that if you don't even have into the repository or into the virtual machine, you can actually put up into the Jenkins job. So from there also you can pick it up there. So it supports both the freestyle and Jenkins pipeline based projects. So it's not only having support for freestyle, both the type of Jenkins jobs are being supported, being utilized in this case with the Ansible. So Ansible is having the support for these two different type of jobs over here in this one. So this is how in the build step you will be having the invoke Ansible ad hoc command. In the ad hoc command, you are basically providing two things. One is like what module you are calling upon. I'm calling upon the ping module here, and the host pattern is all. If you have a specific server, then you can put that. If you have a group pattern like web servers, DB servers, Tomcat server, or anything like that, you can put that also. But here in this case, we are putting up all. Now, from where these host patterns are provided, because clearly I have used an option that do not specify inventory, which means that it will be picking up the etc Ansible host, the default host inventory file. If you want to have some host file there, then you can just pick it up there. Like you can have it on the basis of file. So the moment you select the file option, so you can pick it up from the file system. If you want to hardcode the host inventory file in the Jenkins job itself, so that's the third option which you can use here. That yes, we wanted to go for the specific host inventory file. That content itself you can put up into the inline content here. So that's how you will be able to establish the connectivity. You can do the connection over here to the Ansible. You can invoke the Ansible command line and then you can get the desired output. And this is how you run the playbook file. Now inventory will remain the same. We are not putting the host pattern here because that's something which will be written up in the deploy.yml file. So what really happens is that these things you can invoke, but before that you have to also check out the respective repository, because this deploy.yml file should be present on the Jenkins side. So you have to, in this one, in the source code management tool, you have to provide the desired repository where in this deployment.yml file or this playbook file is available there. So first you have to check out that, then only it will work, then only it will be invoked there. And if you feel like you want to still provide some host subnet, so you can provide that. And the options related to inventory will remain the same. So though there will be no change in those options typically here. So that will remain same over here in this one.